Hey guys, listen to me very carefully now, okay? As you remember, I predicted this large head and shoulders, and I told you on the Bitcoin US dollar chart, and I told you that this is a very, very, very dangerous pattern for us, as it's a trend reversal pattern. I am now in the Ethereum chart, and you can see that I have a short trade in the Ethereum open, okay? I will show you something right now. You can call me crazy, but if this is going to happen, in my opinion, all right, this here is a bulk head and shoulders for a, sorry, this is a shoulder, a left shoulder for a bulk head and shoulders, okay? So we have to be careful. This thing here, if we are now starting to consolidate, do something like this and build the right shoulder, then we are not in a long in an uptrade, okay, uptrend anymore. Forget about that. We might now start to consolidate, and if we break this neckline right here, okay, listen very carefully. This is going to be roughly the neckline. We have a couple of wicks here, and I'm in the daily chart, so this is not going to be easy to determine. But if we break this neckline, then if you're holding your Ethereum and you want to have some good trades, you can sell your Ethereum and buy yourself in again at $2,530. Because if I include the wick of this head and shoulders, it might be a little bit a shady head and shoulders, okay? But in my opinion, it might turn out. Then this is a perfect target of this head and shoulders, as it's bringing us back to the $2,530 resistance. All right, this is a support, okay? And there's a hole, okay? This is going to be a massive drop of almost $1,000 very quickly. Nonetheless, we will have to form the right shoulder, and this might take some time, okay? It is not the cleanest head and shoulders. As you can see that in the daily, we have this weird head, okay? But be very careful. I know that I told you guys that we might trade this as a W pattern, but I've told you as well that we have to trade back up first, and we have to watch the downline, this resistance line here. We broke it, okay? This black line, as you can see here, is going to be the neckline. So the next couple of days, if this was not a fake out, and I doubt it was because I'm in the 4-hour, and we have just now opened a new 4-hour candle. If this was a fake out, we'll see. But I highly doubt it, as there was large sales pressure coming in the last 3 red candles. We could have had a bit more volume, but still, in case we do something like this, then be very, very cautious. It can be a trend continuation pattern, a head and shoulders, if we do not break the neckline. But in case we break the neckline with volume, then this is going to be most definitely a short. Nonetheless, this is no trading advice, okay? So please do your own research. And I will also show you on the Bitcoin US dollar, and I have to take the daily chart to give you a bit better feedback on that. I'm sorry for the paintings here. I call myself the crypto Picasso, as you know, but that doesn't really matter. This is the neckline that I spoke about almost 3 weeks ago now already, of this head and shoulders that we created at the end of the day. If we break this neckline, okay, and I'm just going to repeat myself, then the arcs that I created, they are actually almost perfectly hitting the or even breaking the resistance line. The arcs are not too easy to build, because you have to really watch these lines here. But we are in a dangerous situation in case we break the neckline, because we will probably then go all the way. As you can see, it fits perfectly with the cross of the arcs, almost perfectly in this box here, between 28,000 and 30,500. So guys, be very careful what kind of videos you watch. You can trust me, you don't have to trust me. In case this neckline is going to create a bounce back, we still have to break the arc to be above the to be back in an uptrend and try to and create a higher again. We are in a downtrend, okay? And I told you that this head and shoulders, this small head and shoulders here, might bring us back up. Nonetheless, we did not break the neckline, okay? And in case we break this lower line here, then we are probably trading around the 43,000 mark. See you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.